power energy.
What are you doing?
Natural green tea energy in a combined.
You're gonna shoot right through it. What are you doing? Stop. What did you do?
She's standing on the chair.
What happened? You, babe. You fat ass. Oh, oh my god. Oh, what the fuck? Are you gonna make it?
Reminds me of that one time she fell and all the power went out.
Ow. Dude, that hurt my foot too. Ow. It hurt.
My chair. Oh, it works. It still works.
My face.